Hello everyone, it's Chris with Disney Dynamicks, and we've got something completely different today. So, recently people have started sending us stuff, which is amazing. People have started to kind of learn what we like, and they started sending us stuff. So, we wanted to show off some of the things that we received and thank people for them and show you what we got, because it's really cool stuff, so might as well share it, right? That's all coming up right now. Alright, so the first thing I'm gonna need is an assistant, because half of this stuff is for her, so... Mary! What's up?
What's up?
Alright, so we're gonna begin with a box that Dominic Lubbock and Lisa Lubbock sent us, and I'm really excited for it. She was nervous because it took a strange trail to get here. And she was nervous because she said there's something that could melt in it, so I'm really excited. Ready?
I'm ready.
You want to hold your hands out? Like you're going to receive a box? It's not that big. There you go. There you go. Alright. You're good at that.
I am.
Okay, so, I'm going to try to do this without... Please hold. Why do you look so nervous?
I've seen it with them.
Yeah, you are. You ready? Ready? Aw, there's even confetti in there. Oh, no way.
Aww.
Oh my gosh. All right. You want to do the confetti?
No.
I'm going to set this off to the side for a second. There's a gold pouch in here with something amazing inside. Something's amazing inside. And we're going to start with just a little bit of confetti. What? I thought you said you didn't want to. Okay, alright. Alright, so the first thing is... Selma's Rice Krispie Treats. These are the same thing that we got from...
Main Street Treat Company.
Yeah. And they're... No worries. They are in perfect shape. That is so cool. They're both perfect. Thank you so much, Lisa. That's amazing. And Dominic. And Dominic! That's for you. Alright, you go for it.
Oh.
There's a little poo on that shirt.
I love it. Thank you.
How do you spell love? You don't spell it, you feel it. That's super cute. Oh my god. What? No way! Oh my gosh. This is... Holy cow.
That's cool.
That's amazing. It's Steamboat Willie, it says Uncle Boop, and it even has... Oh my gosh, I don't know how she... That is so cool. Has the logo. Oh, thank you so much. That is... Alright, I gotta put it on. See you later, floopity derp. Look at this thing! That is the coolest thing. Oh my gosh.
I think
Uncle
he
Boop.
likes it.
Dominic, thank you so much. That's amazing. I know this must have been your idea. That is so cool. Oh, wearing this forever. All right. Lisa and Dominic, thank you. Real quick, Dominic, I'm talking to just you. Thank you so much for being a fan of our channel. Your support is amazing, and I hope you enjoyed your box. It sounds like you did. And I am enjoying my nickname, Uncle Boop, which I know that I got from you. So thank you for that, and we're gonna run with it. But seriously, thank you so much for watching our videos. All right, the next thing we have coming is from Nicole Dickey, and I know I showed these before. I left them out because I knew we were gonna do this video. She sent us these a couple weeks ago, and then she sent a shirt, which you have seen because I wore it in one of the videos, and that is this. CJ's hilarious. This Haunted Mansion shirt, that's the one I wore a couple videos ago, and I love it! It's so cool. It's like Christmas around here. And then, today, another box showed up, and I think this one's for
Me.
So let's take a look at that. Hands up. You're not snapping that. That's Uncle Boop magic. See? Alright, let's go for it. It's not. Knives are difficult. For me.
Oh my gosh. Look.
That's really cool.
Thank you so much. I love it.
We'll throw a better picture on the turntable so you can take a look. Boop. That's so cool. Let me see. Holy cow.
That's great. I love it. Thank you so much.
That's really cool. All right. And finally, we got one more thing, and this came from Thomas Russell, who recently started a YouTube channel, and that is Disney Rusketeers. Check it out. Let's see what this one is. It's pretty big. What are we doing? I'm so excited. All right. It's a good day around here.
It sure is.
Are you scared?
No, not at all.
Oh, there's more to cut. So, Tom told me what this is, but I haven't seen one in person. I don't know how. Gotta be really careful. Oop. Oop. Oh my gosh.
Why don't you boop it?
Because I can't. Amazing. Boop. Look at this thing. This is. It's the 45th anniversary of Haunted Mansion. And this is from the parks. And check out the. I mean, it's real wood. And it's actual planks, and then it's printed on. Oh my gosh. That is so cool.
I know exactly where that's gonna go.
We'll talk about it. Look at that one more time. I'm gonna see if I can get. I don't know if this will fit in the photo box, but I'll give it a try. If it fit, it's right boop, there. If it didn't, it's right boop, here. So, thank you guys so much. Nicole Dickey, Lisa Lubbock, and Tom Russell. You guys are over the top. This is really cool stuff. So thank you so much. If you'd like to take a look at our last video, where is it?
Right here.
And if you'd like to subscribe,
Right there.
I hope you're having
A great day.